Hey everybody, my name is Brad Hussey. I just wanted to thank you for stopping by on this page. I want to cut straight to the chase and let you know what this is all about. Below there's a form to sign up for a free demo of my new course called Launch. I filmed a massive video that's going to give you full behind the scenes from start to finish of what you get in the course, and that'll just removes kind of the veil of uncertainty, and you could just decide for yourself if the course, the material, the community, and everything you get in it is a good fit for you. To make it even more incentivizing for you to check out the free demo, I'm going to give you 2 free gifts that you get just for accessing the demo. The first gift is called the Revenue Roadmap, and the Revenue Roadmap is basically an interactive tool, calculator, choose your own adventure type experience that helps you determine the financial viability of your business idea. It's a really fun tool, and there's been a lot of great feedback on the tool from the students within the course because it is cherry-picked right from the course at Freelancing Freedom. It'll help give you some ideas. I know that we've had students and non-students alike try the Revenue Roadmap out and then gave them some ideas for their business. So that's the first gift, totally free. The second gift is called the Pricing Calculator for Consultants. I created this calculator in Google Sheets. You input all the data, all your expenses, your income goals, profit margins, business expenses, and project expenses. There's a whole bunch of entry points and data points that you get to put in the form in the Google Sheet, and then it will automatically, with all the data you input, calculate your hourly rate, and it will give you a break-even hourly rate, a recommended hourly rate, and a high profit premium hourly rate. Plus, with all the information you put in, based on your business, your projects, and your goals, a weekly rate, if you want to charge weekly rates for your services and for your consulting and your freelancing for your clients. In addition to the weekly rate, it'll also give you a fixed rate if you want to charge a fixed rate for a specific project. And in addition to that, I also believe that I've put in the value-based rate. And so that value-based rate will, based on the return on investment of your client. So if you're able to determine how valuable your service or your product is, what's the return? So you can charge based on the value of what you're offering, your product and service. So the hourly rate, fixed rate, value-based rate, and weekly rate are the 4 parts of this pricing calculator, and it's all connected. So depending on the data you put in for your, the size of the client, to your level of expertise, to the client's level of pain and urgency. Was it a referral? Was it an organic client? What's the estimated value of the project? All of these data points you enter in, and the calculator does all the work to let you know what you should actually be charging. And so that's the second gift, and that's cherry-picked directly from the new Launch course. And in the Launch course, and you'll see in the demo in just a few moments, how to use this calculator in your project. So you get the calculator for free, but if you see the value in the calculator and the Revenue Roadmap, these are just little slivers of what you'll get in Launch. So I want to let the demo and the tools do the talking, and you can determine and decide for yourself if Launch is a good fit for you. After that, I'll send you a couple emails to let you know about Launch, give you some options to join up. It's a really reasonable price, but again, I'll let you decide for yourself. So thanks for your time. I hope that these tools give you a ton of value in your business. And if Launch is a good fit for you, I would be honored to help serve you on your journey to help you grow your business to achieve the freedom and flexibility that you deserve in your life. Thanks so much. My name is Brad Hussey with freelancingfreedom.com. Can't wait to serve you on your journey. Cheers. Catch you on the other side. Bye.